I'm Zaki, and today we've got a deep dive into the top 10 blockchain networks by transaction volume, a key metric that tells us a lot about network adoption, trust, and potential growth. If you're into crypto investments and tech innovations, you're definitely in the right place. So let's get right into it. Before we jump into our detailed analysis of each network, let's talk about why on-chain transaction activity is such a critical indicator for blockchain projects. Think of it as the pulse of a network. More transactions often mean more users, higher trust, and an increased likelihood that the platform is set up for growth. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 10 blockchains based on the number of transactions processed over the past week. And trust me, the numbers are pretty astounding. For instance, the leader of the pack has processed a mind-blowing 2.34 billion transactions. That's not just a statistic, it's a sign of market confidence and growing adoption. Throughout this video, we'll unpack what these numbers really mean, how they compare across different blockchains, and what trends we might expect moving forward. Let's start by looking at the networks that are currently setting the benchmark in the crypto space. Kicking off our list at number 1 is the Internet Computer, or ICP. Over the past week, ICP has processed an astounding 2.34 billion transactions. What does that mean? Well, ICP isn't just about speed, it's about building a scalable, efficient ecosystem that attracts a lot of activity. This surge in transaction volume isn't just a fluke, it's a clear indicator of growing market activity and confidence. The increased usage suggests that investors and developers alike are starting to see the long-term potential of the Internet Computer as a platform for decentralized applications. It's exciting to see this level of engagement, which could be a precursor to even more impressive price growth down the road. Right on the heels of ICP is Hyperliquid, boasting an impressive 1.59 billion transactions in the same time frame. Hyperliquid has quickly made a name for itself, especially as a platform for trading perpetual derivatives. Since the rollout of its HYPE token in November 2024, it's become one of the most talked about Layer 1 networks. The transaction volume on Hyperliquid underscores its rapid adoption and its role as a critical hub for traders looking to take advantage of high-speed, low-cost transactions. As more traders jump on board, we could very well see Hyperliquid pushing the boundaries even further. Coming in at third is none other than Solana, with 391 million transactions over the past week. Solana has long been recognized for its high throughput and low fees, making it a favorite for developers and NFT enthusiasts alike. This robust activity is a testament to the network's growing popularity and the increasing number of decentralized applications, dApps, and NFT projects choosing Solana as their preferred platform. It's clear that Solana's unique architecture is paying off, fostering a thriving community that continues to innovate and expand the network's capabilities. At number 4, we have Tron, which recorded 60.7 million transactions. Tron has consistently been a strong contender in the blockchain space, particularly in terms of trading volume. Despite not always grabbing the headlines like some of its counterparts, Tron's sustained activity points to a loyal user base and a highly efficient network. It's interesting to note that Tron's transaction volume even outpaces some of the more prominently discussed chains such as Bitcoin and Ethereum in this specific metric, a clear sign of its underlying strength and reliability. Next up, Base Protocol secured the 5th spot with 53.4 million transactions. This network is gaining momentum within the optimistic rollup ecosystem. Base's growth is not just about the numbers. It's about the robust fundamentals it offers, from enhanced scalability to a growing ecosystem of applications. For those keeping an eye on blockchain innovations, Base Protocol represents an exciting space where efficiency meets practical application, making it a strong contender for future investment considerations. At 6th position, we have Near Protocol, which logged 42.8 million transactions. Near is quickly emerging as a favorite among both developers and mainstream users. Its emphasis on a developer-friendly infrastructure, coupled with its robust DeFi ecosystem, is driving significant activity on the network. Notable dApps like Sweatcoin, Kaiching, and HotGame are contributing to its vibrant ecosystem. This surge in transaction volume is a positive signal for Near's adoption curve, reinforcing its position as a platform with strong growth potential. The 7th spot is taken by Sway Network, with 31.1 million transactions processed. Sway is relatively new compared to some of the other giants on our list, but But don't let that fool you. Its rising transaction activity is a strong indicator of growing user confidence and interest. Sway's efficient design and lower transaction fees have been significant factors driving its adoption. As more developers and projects begin to explore its potential, we might see Sway emerge as one of the key players in the next wave of blockchain innovation. Eighth on our list is Binance Chain, which recorded 30.5 million transactions. Binance Chain has become synonymous with fast, efficient, and cost-effective transactions, especially in the realm of decentralized finance. Its interoperability with Ethereum and the broader DeFi ecosystem has made it a popular choice among traders and investors alike. With lower fees and rapid transaction speeds, Binance Chain continues to attract a significant volume of on-chain activity, underscoring its vital role in the current crypto landscape. Coming in at number 9 is Injective, processing 2 million transactions. Injective is carving out a niche for itself as an efficient layer 1 blockchain, particularly renowned for its high speed and low transaction fees. This efficiency has not gone unnoticed, as evidenced by the steady increase in its transaction volume. The fact that Injective can generate such impressive numbers in a single week speaks volumes about its underlying technology and the growing trust within its user base. It's definitely a blockchain to watch as the market evolves. Rounding out our list is Say Network with 27.8 million transactions. Say Network's prominence in the Layer 1 blockchain space is becoming increasingly evident. Its consistent performance in handling high transaction volumes signals a robust and reliable infrastructure. For investors and tech enthusiasts, Say Network offers a glimpse into the future of blockchain scalability and efficiency, further reinforcing the trend that quality network performance is closely tied to user adoption. All right. So what can we learn from these numbers? Here are a few key takeaways that every crypto investor should keep in mind. High transaction volumes are more than just impressive statistics. They represent trust, active usage, and the underlying health of the blockchain's ecosystem. Whether it's ICP or Hyperliquid leading the pack, these numbers show that users are engaging actively with these networks. The adoption of platforms like Solana and Near is fueled by their unique offerings, from low fees and fast transaction times to robust developer ecosystems. This diversity and functionality is what makes each network uniquely positioned for future growth. Blockchains like Sway Network and Injective, while not yet as well known as the traditional giants, are demonstrating strong potential. Their efficient infrastructures and growing transaction numbers hint at a future where they could become central players in the crypto world. With rapid advancements in scalability solutions and Layer 1 innovations, we're seeing a clear shift in how blockchain networks are evolving. The race isn't just about who can process the most transactions, it's about who can do it efficiently and at a lower cost to the end user. For investors, these trends signal a great opportunity to keep an eye on emerging blockchain technologies. The data suggests that networks with higher transaction volumes are not only attracting more users, but are also becoming more resilient in the face of market fluctuations. This can be a strong indicator of long-term value, provided the underlying technology continues to evolve and scale. For developers, this is an exciting time. The growing transaction volumes and network activity across these blockchains indicate that there's a healthy appetite for new and innovative decentralized applications. Whether you're interested in DeFi, NFTs, or other use cases, platforms like Near and Solana offer a fertile ground for development and experimentation. It's a clear call to action: build, innovate, and contribute to an ecosystem that's clearly thriving. To wrap things up, the competitive landscape of blockchain networks is more vibrant than ever. With giants like Internet Computer and Hyperliquid setting new standards in transaction volume and other networks steadily gaining traction, it's an exciting time to be part of the crypto revolution. Remember, while these numbers offer a great snapshot of current activity, the crypto market is dynamic and ever-changing. It's essential to keep up with the latest trends, do your own research, and make informed decisions based on a comprehensive view of the market. If you found this deep dive informative, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Zaki Crypto Update. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think is driving this surge in on-chain activity? And which blockchain do you see as the next big contender? I love hearing from you. Before we sign off, here's a quick reminder. The information presented in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice. Always do your own research and consult with a professional financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Crypto markets are volatile, and investing in them comes with significant risk. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Zaki, and I'll be back soon with more insights, trends, and updates.